So nasty little scuff here. Majority of it seems to be just paint transfer. Perhaps some deeper scratches. Give it a quick wash, see what we're dealing with. There we are, car's had a quick clean. You see the majority of the paint transfers come off. Quite a few scratches left behind. So let's try and hit it up with some Auto Finesse Triple. Okay, so Triple dual applicator pad. Going to use the white side, slightly more abrasive. A few blobs. Let's have a look. A fair bit of pressure. It looks like these marks have actually gone through the paint, so I'm not expecting this to do wonders. Just buff until clear. That will do the rest of the panel. Leave that to haze and then we buff off. Here we are, a couple of minutes later, nice and hazy. Gonna give it a little buff, standard microfiber cloth. Let's just buff off the panel and see what we got. Okay, there we go. Not bad. Not perfect, but doing it by hand. What else can you expect? A couple of deeper marks here. Maybe if I had a DA, machine polisher, probably come off. But overall, very pleased. And for a car that was registered in 2008, having now just used Triple on the whole car, I think you'll agree. It's looking great. This particular colour is Nighthawk Black. It's got a bit of a blue fleck to it. I'll see if I can try and capture some. Tag it on to the end of the video. Thanks for watching.